Okay, let's talk about numbers. Imagine you are buying something in Germany and you need to count. Let's start with 1, 2, 3. In German, that's eins, zwei, drei. Eins, zwei, drei. Let's add a few more. Vier, fünf, sechs. Vier, fünf, sechs. That's 4, 5, 6. And then we have sieben, acht, neun, zehn. Sieben, acht, neun, zehn. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's talk about time. If you want to ask what time is it, you say wie viel Uhr ist es? Wie viel Uhr ist es? And if someone says es ist 10 Uhr, that means it is 10 o'clock. You can replace 10 with any number. Let's try another number. Es ist 5 Uhr. That means it is 5 o'clock. Easy, right? Now you can count and ask for the time in German. Try using these words today. Bis morgen. See you tomorrow.